simulate our program, you can pick all these programs. For example, select this, select the last one. You can say right click, or you can pick on this one, then say here you can say standard. You can use this, or you can use this G-code way to do your simulation, or generate a G-code, or you can come here, you do what you call this simulation standard way to simulate your program. So you can simulate your program in CAMWorks to see how it will be cutting, so that you're able to configure where the problem is, or identify where the problem is in your machine. In your programming. So this is what you call a virtual machine. So we are using a virtual machine to do our simulations. So which means, if you look at this is where our work is, and then this is where the spindle is, and then you first of all you have to do setup, all of the setups. But in case you do without doing a setup, it may be colliding. For example, if I click here start, it may collide. Let me just do a rough of it without doing a setup here, then we see how it will behave. So just click run, change the tool. You see it has collided here. Why? Because we have not done our setup. So you need to do the setup here, because this is now a virtual machine. We detect that you have not done what you call a setup. The program is okay, but you have not done the setup, so it may collide the machine, because it is using the machine code, the machine workpiece code system, not the workpiece code system. How do we rectify this problem? I will tell you in the next episode. If you are able to subscribe to my channel, how you can set up this. In case you want to, for more training, I will show you how to rectify this one, so that in case you are doing what you call virtual CAMWorks machine simulation, it will guide you on how to do it, and then when you're doing our simulation, it may not give you these errors. Having done that, you can also do another simulation here. Select all of these operations, for example, or you can click this what you call simulate toolpaths inside this one, but this one not tell you if it's correct, because you are now doing it in the software but not on the virtual machine. Then you can now just click run. It will run the program to see how it will be cutting. So doing all of these operations helps you to identify where the problem is before you generate the G-code and put on your actual machine. As you can see what it's doing, so you're able to see whatever it's doing here is whatever the machine it will be doing on your actual machine. Yes, this one has not done. Why? Because we have not generated G-code. So you can click here on this one, then say generate the toolpaths, so that it updates, or you can click all of them, generate toolpaths, it updates what you want. Even this, once you finish that one, now you can click this one, simulate, so that you can also do the simulations the way you want. Okay, that is roughing. It will go to OD finish, then groove turning, rough groove turning, then finish groove turning. From that one you go to part off. So this is how you play around to your software, to play around the programming to identify where the problem is. So this is what CAMWorks is able to do.